Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Char and I'm back with my, I received my patchwork kit back from Perfectly Imperfect Crafts, which is cats. And I'm so excited to see what I got. So yeah guys, let's do this right quick. Char, thank you so much for joining my swap. Hope you like what you got. Sorry it took so long. Oh, don't worry about it, cat. Life is unpredictable. I like that. Okay, let's see. Let's do this one first. Let's see who this is from. This is wrapped so pretty. This was so much fun to do, guys. I kid you not. Okay, this is from Dawn Twist. I like this. Butterflies and everything. I love this tag. It say pretty. Amazing. Got the shoes. This is a cute tag. The dress on the back says believe. Oh, the girl stack. This is so cute. Look at the buttons, the bows, the bling, the flowers. Guys, this was an amazing swap. It was so exciting. Look at the inside. It's so cute. Got my eyelash trim. And my little patchwork. My patchworkings. I got so much bling in here. My ribbons. My embellishment. My little flowers. Oh, these are too cute. I love these little flowers, fabric flowers. And then this here, some more fabric flowers. And they're white so you can easily change the color of them. What is this? Oh, a little bottle of glitter. A little bottle of sparkle. It's like so cute. And then they got my washi tape right here. Oh, here go another little bottle of bling. These are some cute little things. All right now. My washi tape. A whole lot of buttons. A lot of bling and buttons. Some little, what you call these pom-pom balls. Oh, this is so nice. All these goodies in here. Look at these buttons too. Vintage like. Oh, I love this. Very nice. Oh, I can't wait to work this. And then I got my threads over here. My lace and my ribbon. And my patchwork. So these are all the patches that she did. This is an awesome idea. I love this. The polka dot. This is so pretty. And Dawn YT channel, YouTube channel is Dawn Craig Twist. Dawn Craig Twist. I'll link it in the video. This is too pretty, Dawn. This is so pretty. I love this pink. I love how you decorated this. This is so cute. Yes, this is so pretty. And thank you for this IC card. This is cute. Her spirit animal is butterflies. Me too, girl. We butterfly sisters. Oh my goodness. Butterfly sisters. Okay, here's the next one. And it's all dolled up with the eyelash trim. You can never get enough of this trim. This trim is awesome. And we're going to see who this is from. It's in the pink tissue paper. So that patchwork box is from Dawn Twist. And I sent in 2, that's why I got 2 back. And this says, where flowers bloom, so does hope. And let's see who this is from. These little boxes are so cute. Decorated so cute. I got a lot of little cutouts. Some butterflies. This swap is really good because it's basically giving you what you like, what you did. Oh my God, I love all these cutouts and everything. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Okay. And you guys get a good look at how beautiful this is. So pretty. So pretty. This is Handmade with Love by Crafty. Wait a minute, I can't read this. Marylou. Well, I'll find out what it is. Look how pretty that is. Okay. Then another little envelope that she made. It's a real pretty envelope. Some more flowers and hearts and some more cutouts. Okay. I'm trying to think, did I put any information about me in that? I don't even remember. Oh, her name is Marylou Vega. Crafty Grammy. That's what it is. Crafty Grammy. She's from Texas and her birthday is June 8th. She's been married for 27 years. Oh, how awesome is that? She has 2 daughters, a stepdaughter and a stepson. Oh, wow. 18 grandchildren. Oh, she says she enjoyed crafting with her hands. If they permit her to do arthritis, I know exactly what you mean, Crafty Grammy, Marylou, because I have it in my left knee and it's horrible. She liked vintage and girly things, and her favorite colors are red, black, white, pink, and purple. Hope you enjoy the embellishments. I sure will. I gotta read Dawn's too, because she did give me what she had. This is so pretty. I got buttons, I got paper clips, I got flowers. Oh, I got a whole lot of flat back pearls and bling. Oh, this is filled to the rim. And my little cutouts here. Some beautiful paper. This is all from this paper collection. Yes, the pinks and the purples and the blues. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. And my threads and my washi tape. Very pretty washi tape. Thank you, Kat, for having such an awesome swap. This is really pretty. And I got the laces. Oh, this pink lace is gorgeous. Some more eyelash trim. This is really nice. And the buttons. Oh, I love buttons. And all this bling. This is so pretty. And I love it, this embellishment box, how it looks. This is so pretty, guys. Let me get back to Dawn. Dawn is, her birthday is in October. Yeah, her YouTube channel is Dawn Craig Twist. Her favorite colors are purple, hot pink, and white. All colors, really. She loves all crafts of styles. Her favorite animals are dogs, penguins, and giraffes. Of course, she's my butterfly sister. Yay! And her favorite holidays is Christmas. She says she loves them all, though. Her little things she loves are mason jars, buttons, bows, and many others. That is so nice. Oh, thank you so much, girls. I really love my swaps. Isn't this gorgeous? My 2 return embellishment boxes from Patchwork Kits. Very pretty. Very pretty. So thank you guys for stopping in and checking this out. And I'll see you in the next video. And thank you, ladies. Check out Crafty Grammy and Dawn Craig Twist YouTube. Remember to always sparkle. Bye now.